In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete categories in Gmail. While Gmail doesn't let you truly delete its default categories, you can hide the ones you don't use so your sidebar stays clean and focused. Think of hiding as putting these categories out of sight without removing any emails. Nothing is lost. You're simply decluttering your view. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. On the left side of your inbox, you'll see the sidebar that lists your labels and sections. If the list looks short, look for the option labeled More and click it to expand the full list. This reveals additional options, including the one you need. Click Manage Labels. That takes you straight to Gmail's settings page for labels. On the Labels settings page, scroll until you find the section called Categories. This section includes the default categories like primary, social, promotions, updates, and forums. Next to each one, you'll see options to show or hide. Choose Hide for any categories you don't want visible in your sidebar or message list. You can hide one, some, or all of them, whatever fits your workflow. After you've made your selections, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This step makes everything stick. When you return to your inbox, you should notice the categories you hid are now out of sight. If they still appear, give the page a quick refresh. A couple of quick notes to set expectations. Hiding a category doesn't delete it or the emails inside it. All your messages remain safe and searchable, and you can reveal any category again by returning to Manage Labels and switching it back to Show. Also, if you see tabs across the top of your inbox, like social or promotions, those are separate from the labels in the sidebar. This process focuses on hiding the category labels themselves. Finally, this walkthrough is for Gmail on desktop. The mobile app uses a different layout and options. If you ever change your mind or want to review what's hidden, just repeat the same path. Open Gmail, expand the sidebar with More, select Manage Labels, go to the Categories section, and toggle Show or Hide as needed, then save changes. It's a quick, reversible way to streamline your workspace. That's all you need to hide categories in Gmail and reduce clutter. Keep your sidebar focused on what matters, and bring categories back whenever you want with just a few clicks.